Oh, there goes the sunglasses.
It's okay, baby girl.
Look at them.
They won't get any bigger than this.
Okay. This is the mama. Dad was littler, right?
Yeah.
Sadie, look at the camera. Puppies. Puppies.
I'm getting a nice crotch shot of you. Sorry. No.
That's alright. I don't care, really.
It's private.
Oh, yeah. I know. This is what they do to me. They attack
Mow
me.
your hair.
Uh-huh.
Now, who do I have?
That's Bentley. That's the boy. The other boy.
My gosh.
Who's got my hair?
Oh, all of them. They like to chew.
They are so sweet.
Yeah, I know. I've never been mauled by puppies before.
That's
I
Tux has
still
got
don't
your
know
hair.
which one's mine.
She's playing with your string down here.
Now, who's with me again?
That's Bentley.
Bentley loves me. I
And
need
that's
to take...
Daisy May.
Aw.
This is Ladybug. You have Sugar and Tux. This is Tux. Little
Tux
boy
is
right
biting
here.
me.
Yeah. This is what they do when you lay on the ground. This is what they do to the poor mama.
Oh, you got sharp teeth.
Yeah. They have sharp teeth. Uh-huh. Oh, don't eat your clothes. They eat... Oh, yeah. Oh. He's literally jumped off the couch. So
I still don't know which one's mine.
Over here. Right
This
here.
one that's got my thumb.
Yep.
Pick her up and hold her and look at her for a while, Karen.
I can't.
Gosh.
I know. They're nuts, aren't they? Bentley, don't eat her flip-flops. No, buddy. You're not
That's okay, they're Robin's
Yeah.
flip-flops. My feet were hot. I told her to bring me shoes.
Come here, guys. Oh, Bentley. Bentley.
Oh my gosh.
This is a whiner.
That's the whiner.
He's a real bad whiner.
Which one is the boy that might not go? Him?
They look identical.
Oh, you bite hard.
This is
This
Tux.
little black one.
Oh, yeah, Bentley's bad. Bentley and Daisy May are the worst ones. That's
Attack
Sugar.
her. Attack her.
I'm busy filming. Nope, they love your taste.
Tux and you
Look at this
one
one biting your toe, Karen.
calm ones when they are calm.
Mine?
Yours and Tux. That's the only two calm ones we have.
Oh
This
my
one is the
goodness.
worst. Imagine that.
The one you're
Imagine
keeping.
that. You're the worst.
Whoa.
Yes, you are. But you're so cute and I love you. Yes.
Yes, these are a lot tinier than what the picture showed
Well,
me.
that's because I had it like that. She wasn't supposed to get me in the picture. Hi, Mama. Ow, 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 ow. Sharp teeth. Sharp teeth.
Sandy's losing her hair big time and she's so skinny.
Well, it takes a lot out nursing these little monsters.
Mama, control your babies.
Look, that's yours.
That one's
She's
mine.
tagging the camera. Ouch, quit biting. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
she's biting my foot.
What? Quit whining. You should hear him when I put him in his cage, like, well, back in the room that I have him in. He sounds like you're killing him.
What's the mama's name?
Sandy.
Is that mine biting my toe?
Yes.
Yep. Oh. Oh, come here. Come here. Here. Oh, come here, Sandy.
Oh my gosh.
Look at him pulling my pants.
You don't want...
Now they're coming over at me. Get them back. Get them back.
Get her.
Come here. She wants a picture of you. Silly girl. I know.
Who's crying?
This one right here.
Look at mine sitting there looking at you.
Oh, I know. You just...
I think that was mine.
Yep, that one's yours that she has in her hand.
Ow, you've got sharp teeth.
Oh, yes. The one that you're playing with right now?
I didn't do it.
No, they...
Bite each other?
Oh, yeah. They bite each other all the time.
Make sure if your aunt doesn't get the other little boy that Karen does.
No. Karen only wants one.
Mm-hmm.
Two of them?
They're going to have the best home ever over
Oh,
there.
I know. That's why I'm glad she's taking one. Daisy May, will you quit trying to rip her clothes off? What are you doing?
Look.
Crazy little man. Ladybug.
Now, who's this one?
That's Bentley.
Oh, you're the bad dude. I don't believe that.
They're all bad in their own little way.
Okay,
you're
we're
not
shutting off
their
puppy,
thing.
or shutting off
Okay.